Alright, welcome back everybody to Operation Doomsday. This is the KMT in USA turn 10. We do have housekeeping. So the British got their strategic objective in Africa, colonialism, so they get to put a air base down, and that's going to go into Lower Egypt. So it's going to have two airfields, one under construction, one completed. Alright, I think that was it for that though. So we'll go to the KMT turn. The KMT is not going to do anything. They're just going to sit, continue to grow, collect $3 and go to 6, and that will take us to the USA turn. The USA is going to first roll its income die, see what we wind up at. So just a 2 this time puts us at $56. That'll take us to techs. We're going to roll for improved factories, heavy armor, long-range aircraft, large ship construction, heavy strap bombers, there's another one that I rolled. Here it is, amphibious doctrine. And then we're going to roll for our 7th one. We will go for advanced artillery. Alright, so we are going to miss advanced artillery. Going to hit improved factories. Going to hit amphibious doctrine. Going to hit heavy armor. Going to miss long-range aircraft. Going to miss large ship and heavy strats. So 3 of 7 has become the norm for us, which we will take after those early turns. So that'll take us to our buys. We have $54 to spend. Going to be spending 53 of it. We're going to be advancing our carrier and completing it, as well as completing 2 heavy cruisers. And since we have improved construction, all that's $12. We're going to be building 3 militia. We're going to be building 2 artillery, a medium tank, and then we're going to be lend-leasing the Soviets and infantry, the CCP and the KMT medium armor, and the British a transport. For movements, we're going to take our 2 transports that are, or transport at Hawaii back to San Francisco. And then our transport that's already there is going to pick up the Marine and the light tank. And it is going to move to Hawaii. I think. No, we'll just wait. It'll sit here for now. We'll just move the light tank into San Francisco, I guess. But those guys will stay there. Our destroyer will move back to San Francisco as well. Turns there. 2, 3, 4. Can reach midway, but not Hawaii. No Marines. There. Okay. Yep, that'll be that for that. We are going to rail our attack bomber and fighter that are in New York. Going to rail both of those to San Francisco. And I think that's going to be pretty well it. We will go ahead and rail our infantry from New Orleans up to New York, as well as our infantry in Washington to New York. And then our seaplane, we're going to fly down to the Carolinas. Two transports that we have in the 5th are going to strategic naval move. Or they don't have to strategic naval move, they can just normally move up to being in port in New York. And so we will deliver the lease. I collect $56, and then we will pass it over back to the veteran for his turn. Let's see. So it goes to Yunnan, Sinking, putting that to Leningrad. This goes to Southern England and port. These three go on the Pacific Islands. We're going to build these three at San Francisco, and we're going to build these 3 units in New York. And that'll be our turn.